Alright, today's video is about a new Zippo. And this one is, well, this one came double boxed, which I really like. And it says Sherlock Holmes Pipe Man. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. Let's take a look at this. On the inside, there's the regular or the normal black box, and there's the normal idiocy of the P65, and there is the Zippo address in Bradford, PA. So this is a high polish chrome with the two figures. Pipe smoking, and it is a pipe lighter, and it kind of gives an illustration how to light your pipe with this. So that's what the inside looks like, and this was made in it looks like L of 24. No, it can't be. Let's see. Looks like L of 23. Yeah, so that's about September of 23. High polish chrome. Good sound, lights up like it's supposed to. Now a normal or a regular Zippo, the insert is like this. You can see the difference. Pipe lighter, normal or regular. This one you hold up straight, this one you hold sideways. I have quite a few pipe lighters, which I really like. This is a good one. So let's do a drop test on this pipe insert Zippo. Now these pipe inserts are notorious for not passing the drop test. I'll try it anyway. Let's have a good sound. It won't stay lit really well if you hold it like that. So let's do a drop test. So this one stayed lit, which is unusual, but it's good for the Zippo name. And that is the high polish Sherlock Holmes Tribute pipe lighter. Stampings on this are fair. So that, I believe, is my number 669th Zippo. Definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.